Right, so today what we're going to do is we're going to take off this bumper. There's two bolts, one under here and the other one under here. I had to find a big hex to take these off. Or a T55 will do it as well, but I didn't have that. Let's give this a shot. Oh! Yes! That's my cat Igor, named after an album, some of you might know. And that is one out. There's the second one. It was at that moment I realized I wasn't giving my cat enough attention as she went upstairs to knock some of my stuff over. Oh. That is the bumper off. Yeah, it took me a lot of time to get that bumper off. It was a lot of fidgeting as I could not figure out what was stuck, why it wasn't coming. So I had to go left, right, and pull from the left and then pull from the right. Eventually I found out that it was just tight on. I had released everything. Cheers. I do find you start to lose your mind just a little bit while working on cars, especially when something that seems easy just doesn't work. Okay, so for this wing, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on top 8mm nuts. For the wings, there's just the bolts on top. There's the two hidden under the front bumper at the front, and there is two which I don't show in the video, but they're in the arch at the back driver's door. I got at those with an extension on the ratchet. Just one here and one under here. This is the 8mm nut again. There's another 8mm nut just under here. And just pull away the seam sealer here. Just pull it up. All up here and just unscrew off this. And it'll just lift up. Right, so that's it for that video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you're first in the loop, because I do have some giveaway ideas coming up for future videos. Be sure to hit that like button. But if you didn't like it, tell me in the comments what you'd like me to do different. Also, a side note, if you haven't had peaches from a can, you're missing out. These are peaches from a can, 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 peaches from a can. Thanks for watching.